Next, in the marketing tab, you will find affiliate manager. Affiliate, I'm sure you already know that to promote your funnel or your products, you can have affiliates who on your behalf are going to promote and sell your products. Now you can have affiliate managers, meaning you can have affiliates within Go High level, give them the links, give them the create affiliates, manage them, look at the campaigns, affiliates, payouts, media and settings. All of this can be done right here. Now that's how the affiliate dashboard is going to look like. So the revenue generated by the affiliates, the conversion rate, the total customers, customer conversion trend, the commissions, the latest affiliates, and all of this is what you are going to see in the first tab when you click on affiliate manager. That is the dashboard. The second tab is of campaign. So whenever you are running an affiliate campaign, you get started with an affiliate campaign. For this, the first step is to upload an affiliate or create an affiliate, and then you create your first campaign. So let us first create an affiliate. For this purpose, here we are, upload your existing affiliate. So we click on upload an affiliate. Before you upload your file below, make sure your file is ready to be imported. First name, last name and email are required fields for importing affiliate, or you can also create an affiliate manually. So let's go with a manual creation of affiliate. We have this taylor@radio.com. Let us keep the demo email, Taylor Doe, DOE. Company is Doe Inc. Assigned to a campaign which we do not have any campaign for now. Save and continue. We click on done. There's no campaign, so we need to create a campaign before creating an affiliate. Let's go back to campaign. Let's first skip and get started with creating a campaign. Now that's the campaign, affiliate campaign link configuration. So you create a campaign with the affiliate. So you need an affiliate link, right? First, so funnels, I choose one of the funnels that I have. Let's say I go with the Shopify Mastery funnel. That's the funnel step, and that is the affiliate ID. So your default affiliate campaign URL is going to be this, sawankumar.com/ the link to the funnel, and your affiliate ID comes here, and that's the campaign that's going to get created. All the products automatically get added here. I click on next. Default commission on all products. So let's say I want to give 40% commission, or I can customize commission by products. So I can give a 40% commission on this, 20 on this, and 10 on this, or so on. Let's keep it at the same. Advanced commission settings, so you can have different tiers for different level of affiliates. So let's say you want to give 40% to a certain level, 30% to a certain level, and 20% to a certain level. So you can create multiple tiers: tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, tier 4, 5, 6, and 7. So how many tiers do you want? So let's say you want 3 tiers. So tier 2 and tier 3. So default commission on all could be, for tier 2 could be 30 and tier 3 could be 40. So you can have different tiers. So let's say just keep it at 1 tier for now for the sake of our understanding. We have a campaign, so Shopify promotion. Okay, and now I can assign an affiliate. Look at the additional settings. Email template is a default template. Cookie life is 365 days. So whenever somebody is going to buy using that affiliate link, the cookie life is going to be 365 days. Current payout terms, that's net 15, pay on 15th of the month, the previous month's earning. Include setup fees in commission calculations. If you want to do that, you do this, and you now publish it. The campaign is now published. Now coming back to affiliates, I would now add an affiliate, new affiliate. So Taylor@radio.com, Taylor Doe, and Doe Inc. And I assign the campaign to him. Now the first campaign is assigned to him. Magic link generated successfully. Now that's the link for your affiliate. What is this link? Let's copy paste it here. So you see the login his name, his email ID, and his affiliate ID is right here. So whenever any purchase is going to happen using this link, that's what they are going to use. So continue to add more details. The websites, any other details of the affiliate can be added here. You click on done. And now if you see, the affiliates referral link is created, that's Taylor 650. And if I copy this link and paste it over here, you see the e-commerce Shopify store with Shopify, and the ID is Taylor 6501. So whenever a purchase happens using this affiliate ID, his commission is automatically going to get tracked. So that's the creation of affiliate ID. You can change the referral ID manually. Then you can have coupon codes, and you can look at the commissions. We click on save, and our affiliate setup is done. So whether you are doing influencer marketing, or you are reaching out to people, you are promoting your product via your existing buyers, you are giving them some referral commissions, and all of that can be managed using Affiliate Manager. So once you have created the campaign, you have created the affiliate, you can manage the payouts here. So that here would be the pending data, this would be the approved for payout, this would be the paid data, and this would be the denied payout. Submit feedback is an option. So you can submit the feedback to go high level basically. That's this. Coming to media, to share branding media with your affiliates. So yes, if you are having affiliates, you would want to share with them your marketing collaterals or marketing content, and all of that can be created over here. Then you come to settings, affiliate welcome email template, that's the default template, cookie live, payout terms, include setup fees and commission calculations, sub-affiliate sign up page, auto enroll new customers as sub-affiliate. So whenever a new customer is added, he gets auto added as sub-affiliate. So this is an interesting thing. Whenever somebody buys your product, you can also enroll them as a sub-affiliate and give them or share them with the affiliate links. And you are done here. So any questions if you have around affiliates, feel free to ask me in the Q&A section, and I will be happy to help. Next we'll see the brand boards. That is a new addition to Go High Level.